Avoiding 4 simple things before bedtime can make a big difference in your life. These habits might be pushing money, energy, and positive vibes away while pulling in poverty. Take a moment to think if you're guilty of at least one of these. I challenge you to stick around till the end of the video and let me know which ones resonate with you. It's likely that many of you are unknowingly doing things negatively impacting your sleep and messing with your money vibes. The video discusses these habits that could be affecting your finances. Unfortunately, we often don't realize what we're doing wrong, leading to a cycle of bad things happening to us. Today, I'm thrilled to discuss a topic that transformed my financial situation. The wisdom I'm about to share isn't from a business guru, but from ancient teachings like those of Jesus and the Buddha. Throughout history, spiritual texts have revealed how thoughts, emotions, and energy shape our reality. Modern science, particularly quantum physics, supports the idea that we are all connected in an energy field, influencing our abundance based on our vibes. The ancients knew this, emphasizing the importance of controlling energy and mindset before bedtime. Jesus, for instance, advised forgiveness before sleep, recognizing the impact of those moments on attracting positivity into one's life. So, let's delve into these habits and see how simple changes can positively affect your financial and energetic well-being. I never realized how much my nighttime routines impacted my attitude towards money until I started applying these spiritual principles. But before we delve into that, take a moment to share. The most important time of the day is before I go to sleep. So, why is bedtime so crucial? Well, it's when your subconscious mind is most receptive. Your conscious mind, which usually filters information, starts to wind down, like a guard nodding off at the gate. This means whatever thoughts or feelings you feed your mind before sleep sink deep into your beliefs, shaping how you see the world. For instance, ever watched a scary movie before bed and had nightmares? Even though you know it's just a movie, your subconscious still feels scared. The same goes for money. If you go to bed worrying about bills or feeling broke, your mind believes it and attracts more lack. But here's the flip side. If you focus on positivity before sleep, your mind starts to believe in abundance. Creating a habit of visualizing prosperity and abundance before falling asleep can transform your subconscious beliefs about financial freedom. Instead of constantly worrying about money, you'll begin to see new opportunities to increase your income and approach your finances with confidence rather than fear. It all boils down to what you feed your mind in those precious moments before bedtime when your conscious defenses are down and your subconscious is absorbing beliefs like a sponge. This is why preparing your mind for sleep is crucial for programming wealth. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Moreover, going to bed after a heated argument is like immersing yourself in a pool of negative emotions, which can linger for hours. Even if you consciously resolve the conflict, your mind continues to dwell on it, releasing stress hormones like cortisol as you sleep. Have you ever noticed how a bad fight leaves you tossing and turning all night, waking up still feeling angry and defensive? Unfortunately, this negativity affects every aspect of your life, including your attitude towards money. Research indicates that being in a negative emotional state makes people more cautious, risk-averse, and tight-fisted with money as their focus narrows to scarcity and survival. Conversely, being in a positive state fosters openness, creativity, and an abundance mindset. That's why it's crucial to resolve conflicts and let go of resentment before going to bed. It may seem simple, but it requires discipline. Studies have shown that happy couples make it a point to never sleep on an argument. They forgive and release the negativity to preserve intimacy and trust in their relationship. Allowing more positive energy to flow in all aspects of your life, including your finances, is crucial. So, when it comes to petty disagreements, leave them at the bedroom door. Nurturing peaceful and loving relationships is the pathway to prosperity. Resolving any tension before bedtime sets the stage for optimal wealth programming. After a long and stressful day, it's tempting to dwell on everything that went wrong at work, especially those irritating moments with your boss. However, venting about these frustrations before bed sends your sympathetic nervous system into overdrive. It replays upsetting conversations, office politics, and demanding customer interactions, triggering your body's stress response and preventing proper rest and recharge. Unfortunately, research confirms that burnout and work-related anxiety impair cognitive function, productivity, and creativity. Moreover, harboring bitterness or resentment toward your job creates an unconscious aversion, which can repel opportunities for advancement, raises, and overall joy in your work. The solution, though simple, requires discipline. Leave work-related issues at the office before heading to bed. Compartmentalize your frustrations, problems with co-workers, or complaints about policies to prevent them from affecting your personal life. Instead, deal with these issues proactively the next day, approaching them with level-headed solutions rather than reactive venting. Protecting your peace in the hours before bed sets the tone for your entire next day. Visualize yourself showing up as your best self at work, centered, focused on solutions, and appreciated by others. This positive energy attracts more of what you focus on. It's understandable why financial worries may invade your thoughts at night, especially with unpaid bills and increasing credit card balances. However, worrying and attempting to solve financial problems before bed backfires, leading to increased stress and anxiety. Think about it, spending those last few minutes before bed dwelling on scarcity, lack, and desperation sends strong messages to your subconscious that this is your reality. Your mindset about money shifts from abundance to poverty, leaving you feeling hopeless and trapped. Studies show that when people feel financially strained, they tend to make impulsive, risky decisions with their money. Their brains go into survival mode, while those who feel financially secure are more prudent and make wiser choices for the long term. So, what's the solution? Redirect your energy before bed toward creating wealth and prosperity. Visualize, affirm, and immerse yourself in feelings of abundance. Your future is shaped by this simple daily ritual. Neuroscience confirms that rewiring your beliefs about money takes consistent repetition. Take a few minutes before sleep to imagine money flowing to you. Feel the joy and security of financial freedom, and make it as vivid as possible. This shift sets your path toward abundance and allows creative solutions to come through your dreams. Dare to feel rich before you see it in reality. You might think that watching one more episode of a tense drama or violent movie helps you unwind before bed, but research shows that it keeps your sympathetic nervous system amped up, making it harder to fall asleep. Moreover, the fearful imagery and pessimistic storylines infiltrate your subconscious while you rest, leading to increased anxiety. This leaves you feeling on edge and contracted, rather than inspired and expansive. To combat this, avoid sensational, violent media before bed. Instead, opt for light-hearted, positive content that sets you up for optimistic dreams about money-making opportunities. Whether it's reading uplifting books, listening to calming music, or watching inspirational videos, choose content that nourishes your mind and spirit before you drift off to sleep. Be mindful of what you feed your mind before bedtime when it's most receptive to shaping your next day. Opt for uplifting entertainment that enhances your belief in prosperity. Make it a habit to fall asleep with a peaceful and inspired mindset. This simple adjustment sets the stage for attracting more wealth and abundance into your life. Your journey is waiting. You possess the power to unlock every dream you aspire to achieve. Have you ever felt lost, unsure of which direction to take? The answers lie within you. It's never too late to discover them. Embrace the voice of your soul, acknowledging that you are unstoppable. Open your arms to welcome the life you've always dreamed of. It's been within your reach all along. You're on the brink of a brighter future, feeling empowered to overcome any obstacle. Your path is clear. Seize the day and unlock your dreams, for they are calling out to you.